Good morning everyone. Our food for today. Wow, ito gawa ko to, salad. Ayan, puro salad.
Aba naman ang binidyo ko yung
Wow, pansit.
video the food and I video my face.
Ay. Tinapay here. Ayan, ito gawa ko to, gelatin. Ayan oh, yummy. Yung iba, nakasarado pa yung... Ito gelatin ko. Sarap naman ng mga food namin dito. Our food for today. Excuse me. Wow. All food is yummy. Ito, ano pa to? Paano to bubuksan? Hindi ko mabuksan, rice yata to. Ayan. Wow, that's so good. So good. Thank you. Ayan. Oh. Andun si mga tao.